Hi guys, welcome to another KamicarzCreations video. The old girl's been out of the scenes for a little bit, but I just thought I'd give you a bit of a look around. I've done a bit of a tidy up. She's going on a road trip back to Monto where she came from. Quite nice and tidy inside, original interior. So this car was bought in Monto, Queensland and lived there its whole life. Bought in a dealership there, Holden dealership, and was owned the whole time by residents of Monto. So the first time she really left to live in another place was when I bought it off the family that owned it at that time. It was a young fellow, the son in the family, owned the car, and I picked it up. We met in Toowoomba and I picked it up and brought it home to start a new life. Since she's come home, she's had a lot of work done to her. Full respray, full engine detail, new motor. This is the original motor out of it. 173, even though it's got a 202 rocket cover on there. A 173 red motor that's got a 12-port YellaTerra head, running race series roller rockers, and pretty stock bottom end. The YellaTerra head is a 72cc, a large chamber head, because this will be forced induction, which is nearly finished. Shane Barnett has built me the last of the production series of the fuel injected SuperCharger kit, the EM80 SuperCharger kit, which will be here within a week or so. Then she'll be coming apart again and going for a bit of a revamp. So we'll just run down the side of the car. She's beautiful in Atlantis blue. Gorgeous, gorgeous old girl. So that's Monty the Torana, ready for the road trip.